Rebecca here, just looking for a new sander for my dad, but they're very expensive. We might have to wait a while. Hey guys, welcome back to Aussie Furniture Flippers. My name is Rebecca and Charlotte, my sister, will be assisting me today.
Hi.
So we're going to be making a dinner tray because if you remember in the last video I did about the dresser, my dad's wash sander broke and he thinks I pushed down on it too hard, and we looked at the shops but it was really expensive, so we're going to see if we can contact Bosch and see if we can get any parts for it. So yeah, I'm going to make a dinner tray for a present for her, and I will be painting on the outside with my morning, just on the sides on our outside, and I'm pretty sure on the top maybe, and then I have chalk paint. This is Lagoon, and we're going to be painting one strip for this color and all the other colors. This one is Periwinkle. It's a stain and glaze, and I have a Dixie Belle applicator, and I'm going to be using this for our stains. And this is my favorite color, but I still can't pronounce the name. I think it's Capri. I still can't pronounce it, but right. This is a chalk paint, and another stain and glaze. We have Mermaid.
That's my favorite.
Cappy's mine. Anyway, let's begin. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be using morning. Oh.
Hi guys, it's Charlotte from Aussie Furniture Flippers, and Beck's got the hiccups, so I'm going to be taking over for a couple of minutes. First, we're going to be using 120 grit sandpaper to give it a light scuff sand. Okay, let's begin. Okay guys, now we've done that, we're going to use the hot soapy water again with the cloth, warm water, sorry, and we're going to wipe over again. Okay, it's always important to clean your furniture, otherwise your paint won't stick properly. Guys, now we're gonna let it dry. Then we'll come back and start painting. Bye!
Thank you, Charlotte, for cleaning this dinner tray. Anyway, we're gonna start, and we're using our Pureco chalk paint morning, and it's called morning. Make sure you stir well. If you shake, you might get air bubbles and it'll wreck the furniture. This is very creamy and thick. Okay guys, so we finished our first coat, and you have to be really quick with it because it dries really quickly. This top is actually already dry, and it's a nice beachy look. And I barely used any. I'm gonna make sure it's dried properly, and I'm gonna let it dry. And then I'll start painting on the other side. So now that our paint has dried on the outside, we're gonna do our next color for the inside. We have Lagoon, which is a chalk finish paint. Don't forget to stir it, but I've already stirred it. And put a little bit on your brush. it dry and we'll do the next one, which is a stain.
So now, while the other chalk paint is dry, Pureco chalk paint is drying, we're going to be using the Mermaid Stain and Glaze, also a product of Pureco. Okay, and it's really easy. All you have to do is dip it in. This is the Gator Hide applicator, which we use our stain and glaze on. Okay, let's get started. I poured a little bit on. You don't need that much. Let's get started. The good thing about a beach look is that it's supposed to look messy, and even though it looks messy, it's really nice in the end. It's really coming out beautiful. Really nice. I think Dad's gonna be quite happy. Okay, I'm done. We're going to let it dry now. We got one more stain to do, and guys, we're going to be done. And then we're going to wait till it dries. Oh no. Well, it was the beachy look. Otherwise, if it wasn't, it might have not turned out very well. Okay, that will do, guys. One more stain to go and we're done.
I've just poured it on the applicator. Now let's begin. It's kind of hard because all the other colours. It doesn't matter if it gets on the other side because it's a nice beachy look. When you're using the stains, it's just back and forward. Okay, now I'm going to let it dry. See you guys soon. Bye.
I blended in all of the colour with this damp cloth. You just rub it over a bit and it looks like it's blended in more. If Dad doesn't like it, I sure will use it. Thank you, Pureco, for all those colours that you let us try. Have a great day. Bye.
We put our Pureco eggshell sealer on because it protected our chalk paint. We're putting our wax on the back of our board. And I'll be using Pureco beeswax polish called French Pear.
Wow, that smells amazing. It's also a product of Pureco.
And I'll be using Mum's old Annie Sloan wax brush.
Let's get to it.
We're going to push down really firm to get our wax on our brush. I am using my brush to go on, and I'm going in circles. That actually smells really good. And make sure you push firmly.
It smells like a pear.
Because it is a pear.
Literally, it's...
Well, it's not real. I don't know. Maybe, actually.
No.
More? Give me more.
Good.
You gotta push right into all of our cracks that we have. My hand's already sore. You wanna go shot?
I guess.
So first put some wax on and push down hard and go in circles. Now check that you have some on. Yep.
Yeah.
And now go push down hard and go in circles.
Good.
Yep.
Is that what we need?
Keep going.
Oh.
Don't forget the sides.
Okay, I'm gonna. I think I still have some left. No. Okay.
This wax will probably last a long time too.
This is so easy.
These Pureco paints are really good. These Pureco chalk paint is really good to use.
Is that good?
Yep. Smells nice.
One is.
So Charlotte, we're gonna let this dry for half an hour, and then when it's dry, we're gonna use Mum's old shirt to buff it up. Now let's let it dry. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this project idea, and don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Well, Dad loved the food tray Charlotte and I painted. The pear wax smells amazing, but Mum said eventually the smell will go away, which is a shame. But I'm going to enjoy it while I can. Unfortunately, Dad said I still have to pay him back. Having a business can be hard. Luckily, Dad looked on the Bosch website and we were able to buy a new part to fix it, so I only owe Dad $38. Phew, that's better than buying a new sander. It only took a day to deliver it. I'm going to start saving up for my own tools. Dad already bought me a toolkit, and now I got my own toolkit, which is blue and black. Blue is definitely my favorite color. The best thing about making my dad's food tray is that now I have a good example of what some of our Pureco colors will look like, and it will help me pick out colors for all my projects that I do. I really enjoyed using the chalk paint and stains. I'm still learning how to paint, but I know how to add water to the chalk paint and when you use the applicator to make sure that they are damp. Pureco also sells them. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you have enjoyed it, even if I did get the hiccups. And Charlotte did a really good job of helping me out. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to get more videos like this one. Zach, I'm done!